In this video, I'm going to show you a project management tool that uses AI to literally do your tasks for you. That tool is called Dart. Dart is a new AI project management tool that automates tasks, optimizes workflows, and helps you manage your projects more efficiently. Thank you to Dart for sponsoring this video. Click the link in the description to follow along. Everything that I'm going to build in this tutorial is something that you can do for free on their free plan. So click the link and check it out to follow along. Let's get into it. So let's go ahead and create a new task here. And let's say it's write a YouTube video script about the future of no code and AI. And then I'm going to click into that, and you're going to want to stick around to see how Dart is able to use AI to build out this task and even help complete some of this task as well. So if I click on Task AI on the top, there's a couple quick things I can do. I can add properties. So I just right off the bat, it's going to add tags. I can break it into subtasks, which is pretty helpful. So it's going to help me just go through this task one by one, which is more helpful than just looking at this overarching task. We can also write a description. So I can click write description, and it's going to help us write a description for this task. And then finally, there's do this task. So that's the part that I'm most excited about. So if we wanted to do this on our own, we have these subtasks now, which is really great. So research current trends in no code and AI. That's awesome. I could take that, paste that into Perplexity, get a really good research paper for that. I could then outline the key points, also using AI to help with all of those things, engaging hook, etc., etc. Or if I just go up to the top here and I change the assignee to Dart AI, as you can see, it's just going to put that right over into the doing tab. And down at the bottom under activity, we can see it's working on a YouTube script for us, which is amazing. And then in a second, it doesn't take too long. It should go over into the done tab here of our board. And here we go. Now it is completed and we can click into it. And if we go down, we can see now there's a doc that it created and automatically attached to our task. And we can see it did a pretty good job, I think, at creating a task and breaking it into different sections. And this is something that I could actually use for a YouTube video. Now, these AI features of Dart are only going to get better and better because a tool like this only gets better as the models keep improving with AI. So as the models keep improving, it's just going to get plugged in with more functionality. So you can use this either to augment yourself, so then you could use it to create the subtask, do this on your own, or just use AI fully to actually create the tasks and do it for you. So any content creation like that, it's very good at. Next, I'm going to show you a really cool feature that Dart allows with content creation with image generation. So I just created this task to create a blog post image for a blog about AI with a futuristic computer. So if I go to Task AI and select do this task, it just assigned to Dart. And now, as you can see, it says I'm creating a blog post image and it's going to be ready shortly. So again, it moves it over into the doing tab, which I think is pretty cool. And then in a second, we'll check in and it should be in the done tab. And then it's finished. If I click into it, now we can see we have that image created for us automatically, all within Dart, so without having to leave the platform. The other thing that I find really interesting about Dart is it allows you to use AI on their premium paid plans to actually generate reports, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, about what is getting done. So this is really helpful, especially if you work with a team of people and you want to automatically get an AI-generated report about anything that is happening on your team in your project management system. Something that I think is really cool about Dart is that you can come up with an idea, add it to your task manager, and then have it use AI to generate that first version right off the bat. So it kind of solves that blank page issue, I think, where you have this idea, and then right off the bat, you can have that draft within the same system. So I don't have to worry about context changing as I'm working. A great thing about docs is they enable collaborative writing, so you can use Dart with all your teammates. There are some teams with more than 100 employees using Dart as a fully fledged PM tool. Finally, let's jump into the brainstorm with AI feature. So if I say I want to brainstorm different YouTube video ideas in the no code and AI space, you can use AI or teammates. So let's do AI. Let's set to 5 minutes and click start brainstorming. And right off the bat, the AI is giving me ideas. So the first idea it gave was to interview founders of successful no-code AI startups about their journey. That is a good idea. I actually like that. Something that I've been thinking about for this channel. The next one is create a tutorial on building a chatbot using no-code AI platforms. Another great idea, something that I've done before. Another one is compare top no-code AI tools for automating small business workflows. Another interesting idea. So pretty cool. And it's just creating these tasks for me that I can review later. And again, the thing that I like about it, compared to using something like ChatGPT, is yes, you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm, but what's nice here is it's all just built into my project management workflow. So I don't have to context change. It's all here and easy for me to work with. Showcase real life case studies of businesses using no-code AI solutions. So yeah, pretty cool. And these are all legitimately good ideas that I could use. Dart is like having an extra teammate that you can brainstorm with and go back and forth on ideas with like a real person. It's making me think about a potential future where like we have these super powerful AI agents that like interview founders of successful no-code AI startups. Like if you assign that, it's going to find those people, it emails them, it schedules up the time, does like all of that legwork automatically. Dart is actively building AI agents to help enable some of these things. So stay tuned for what Dart creates next. So I hope that you found this useful. It's something that I think I'm going to continue testing out for my own workflows. If you want to do that as well, click the link in the description to go to Dart and test it out. It's free. Everything I showed you in this video is free, so you can try it out, see if it works with your own workflow, and see if you want to continue using it to help save time. Thanks again to Dart for sponsoring this video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more free content like this about no-code and AI. And also go to nocode.mba if you want to learn more about building with no-code and AI tools from start to finish. There are dozens of in-depth tutorials taught by experts in the industry about how to build AI and no-code apps using tools like Bubble, Webflow, Airtable, Zapier, and much more. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.